Makers, it's time to start printing with the strongest, most durable material on the market. NylonX is carbon fiber infused nylon filament. These are the materials used to make spacecraft and race cars, and now you get to use them too. NylonX is easy to use and available to everyone. So what will you create with NylonX?